Hello everyone. Today we'll be looking on how to install VS Code on a Windows system. And if you're wondering what's the full meaning of VS Code actually means Visual Studio Code for websites. And this VS Code is an application which is been installed on systems like laptops to build up codes or to code up to write up codes for building a website as a web developer. So come with me as I show you on how to install VS Code on a Windows system. And if this is your first time watching my YouTube video, my name is Abbas Akintola, but you can call me A2's Coding. I'm also a beginner in web developing, but I created this YouTube channel to share with you my journey on becoming a professional in web developing. Thank you so much.
So
And don't
guys,
forget to
our
subscribe.
first step here is to find a way to download the Visual Studio Code. I head over to my Google Chrome here. I make use of Google Chrome for my internet browser. So our first step here is to look for a way to download the Visual Code, which I'm going to head over to my Google Chrome here, which is my internet website, and I type in code.visual code, or okay, is already complete studio.com. So you take it in. So it's going to bring you up to this website. This is the official website. You can see it is already written here, download for Windows. So this is where you're going to hit the button for download for Windows. And we are making use of a Mac system, which is a MacBook. It's going to bring out download for Mac. But since I'm making use of the Windows, it's going to bring out download for Windows. So I click on this button. Clicking on this button, and it's going to start downloading. You can see over right here. Let me just click here. This it already. So let's wait for it down till it's download finish. Downloaded fully already. So what next now is to click on this to get it ready for installation. Alright, so you can see what's bringing up on my screen. You accept the agreement and click on the next button. So whatever option you feel comfortable with here, you can just click it and you understand. Create a desktop icon. I know you all want to choose this. So you can leave this. Add open with code action to Windows Explorer file context menu. Just read these options right here. Click the one you feel comfortable with. But the one that's already auto selected is okay to go. So you can click on the next button, then install. So the installation have already begun. So you wait till this bar is full already. So let's wait and see. Alright, so our Visual Studio Code setup is already completed. So what our next action to take is to click on the finish button, minimize this also, minimize this. Okay, let me just take this away. Okay, I think I created an home for it. So get your Visual Studio Code right here, double click it. So the reason why it's showing something like this is because I have made use of it before and I have saved some files on it before. It's just because of I wanted to teach you guys how to make use of it. That is why I uninstall it and install it again. So these are some information. If you are willing to go through it, you can just go through it. But me, since I'm already making use of it before, I don't need it. So let me just take away this. Let me take away this. Let me take away this and this. So on installing your visual coding, this is what you are firstly going to see. You won't see any of this. It's going to be out. You understand? So your first step to take is creating a particular folder right here. Creating a folder right here is going to it will enable you to create a particular folder for you to start coding. It's just like you have to create a new folder right here. Your folder is going to contain every coding aspect you are willing to code about a particular website. So here I might create like a waiting to create a YouTube website. So we have the YouTube file. I can just name it YouTube file. So I have my folder. I have my folder right here. So under this folder, that's where you create your coding file. If you are willing to build to code about an HTML, you come here, then you type in okay, let me say we are creating a YouTube channel. So let me just say I'm creating a coding file for my YouTube channel. So I have YouTube. Now this is where you have to select the type of file you are going with. If you are going to create a file based on HTML, you write .html. So it automatically creates a folder, a file, your HTML file for your website. So you put in on the enter, then it brings you here. So as a beginner, I can just give you this. You can click on your shift one to show you this exclamation mark, then click on this. It's going to auto type out the important codes you need to start with before you start coding about your particular website. You understand? So that's how to create a folder and a file for a particular code. Then you move to the extension part. Extension, what's the important thing you have to install on your VS Code, which are very important. Number one is the live server. This live server helps you to preview your website instantly. Let us bring in. Okay, this is it. So I already have it installed already. You see, it's because I've installed it already. That's why it's showing the uninstall button. So you as a beginner and first time installing your VS Code is going to bring out the install button. So you click on the install button. You understand? So you need this, and if you are willing to, you can also download your Python for the Python users. Your Python extension too is also available there. I think I have it installed already. So we have many of it. I think this is the real one. So you can get it installed. But for me right now, I'm not making use of it, so I can't get it installed. So you can install it also. And one of the important extension you also need, you need the prettier. Sorry for that. You need prettier. It helps you arrange your code. So I make use of this one. So let me just get that installed right now. Trust and publish and install. So it's going to install it. So that's how VS Code works. So you install the extension, it's going to install itself. So let me just go back to where I was before. So this is our YouTube file. And for you to go back, you already have your bar here, you have your bar menu here. You can just take this away, then go back to your normal HTML. So now let me just try to create a button. Alright, so click me. Now I save, control save. Then for me to make use of for me to preview this particular website of whatever I created, you right click your mouse or you use your laptop, you right click, then you click on the open with live server. That's how you make use of your live server. Then it's going to display it right now. You see, so I have my button right here with me. You see, so guys, I think that's all what I can share with you guys as a beginner. So that is how you make use of your VPS Code, install extensions, and view whatever code, view whatever you coded about using live server. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this helped you guys. Thank you so much.